The mattress factory SINTEX from Bosanska Krupa is one of the most important economic entities in this municipality. It was founded back in 1990 in Sazin. The beginning of the work is organized as a craft shop in a modest space. The main activity is the production of mattresses, mattress toppers, blankets and pillows. After 2000, the scope of work slowly expanded, as did the space in which the activity was performed. The work took place in a facility with an area of 1,000 square meters. During 2019, the headquarters of the factory were transferred to the business zone sawmill in Bosanska Krupa, where a new production plant was built, with an exhibition on the sales salon. The new facility has an area of 3,500 square meters, and a total of about 5 million euros has been invested. In addition to the new facility, during 2021, another facility was purchased on the adjacent plot. Works on the facility are in progress, and the completion is planned for the end of July 2021. The new facility covers an area of 3,000 square meters, and together with the equipment it will cost around 4 million euros. Upon completion of the investment, the complete factory will be spread over 14,000 square meters of land, with 6,500 square meters of production and storage space built. Completely new equipment has been installed in the facilities. SINTEX produce mattresses which are synonymous with quality sleep. Since we spend a third of our lives sleeping, it is very important what and how we sleep. Guided by this, SINTEX team of experts designed and developed products based on the real needs of customers, listening to their wishes. At SINTEX, they believe that customers know the price of good sleep and that they are willing to invest in their health. In their palette, they offer mattresses of all sizes, unique in their composition, design, method of production and details, to which special attention is paid. In this way, they want to meet the highest quality requirements in the bedroom segment. Production is oriented to customer needs, which is why mattresses with a core of polyurethane and viscoelastic foams, mattresses with pocket springs, mattresses with bone cowl, as well as hybrid mattresses that represent combinations of the best materials. The installed equipment enables the profiling of foam into zones, which takes place in its own plant. In addition to the range of own products, products are also made to customer order, as well as special orders of the type of products resistant to open flame, waterproof covers, anti-allergic covers, and so on. In cooperation with subcontractors, we are able to offer all types of beds with a complete sleeping program. Raw materials for production are procured from verified, reputable suppliers. They have the Ecotech standard with an emphasis of the human ecological aspect of quality and friendly behavior of producers towards the environment. That this is a socially responsible company is also proven by the fact that all waste in cooperation with subcontractors is disposed of in an adequate manner, while using as a raw material for further processing. In addition to its appearance of the domestic market, SINTEX is also present of the markets of countries in the region, more precisely in Slovenia, Croatia and Serbia, and it is expanding to other countries of the European Union and beyond. Currently, SINTEX has 25 employers with one shift work organization. After the completion of the new investment and the expansion of production, the plan is to employ another 30 workers and to organize work in 2 shifts. The construction of new plants has increased the annual production capacity to 300,000 units. In this factory, the logistics center has 8,000 finished projects, ready for distribution to potential customers. In addition, raw materials worth around 1.5 million euros are in stock at all times. At SINTEX, they are open to cooperation and developing partnerships, give them trust and develop new ideas together. They, in turn, will provide you with a high-quality and a representative product, which will be part of your better everyday life and a reminder of what are you doing for yourself and your health. SINTEX, a good dream for an even better day.